Your patio, pool deck, or other outdoor living space is a place to entertain, welcome family and friends, and to unwind and relax. These areas also play such a vital role in your property value and quality of life. But if time, harsh weather conditions, or the incorrect use of pressure cleaning or harsh chemicals have taken a toll, and your once welcoming oasis is now damaged, stained, covered by mold and mildew, or is just no longer as inviting as it used to be, don't despair. Professional cleaning and repair can restore the beauty to your backyard retreat. As a professional stone restoration company, we know natural stone. Our specialized deep cleaning methods will safely and effectively remove stains, ground-in dirt, mold, mildew, and efflorescence, that white powdery-looking substance that can diminish the look of your stone. If chips and holes have formed, they can be repaired. If needed, we can hone the surface to reduce the slipperiness of the stone. We are always careful to protect your landscaping, fencing, and the exterior of the home, so nothing is damaged by our work. The final result? Your outdoor space will be transformed into a beautiful haven once again. If your pool area or patio is in need of professional TLC, give us a call. We can have it ready for your enjoyment and entertaining in no time.